Hi guys, Flux Techy here. Today we will talk about the best mechanical keyboards on the market right now. Let's begin. Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2. The Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 is a gaming keyboard designed to provide gamers with an enhanced gaming experience, equipped with cherry mix switches. The keyboard features superior responsiveness and solid feedback that can help you stay ahead of your opponents. The K70 RGB Mk.2 also includes dedicated media controls that allow for easy access when adjusting the volume or other settings mid-game. Additionally, this gaming keyboard is equipped with anti-ghosting technology and a 1000 Hz polling rate to give you the quickest response. The Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 also comes with custom RGB lighting and dynamic effects, so you can customize the look of your setup to your specifications. With individually addressable keys and unique lighting effects such as rainbows, waves, ripples, and more, you can express your style without ever having to worry about compatibility issues. You can also program macros through their intuitive software interface for an added layer of customization in-game. For long sessions at the computer, the Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 also features a comfortable wrist rest designed with plush foam padding and a textured microfiber surface that ensures comfort throughout your session while allowing you to maintain optimal typing accuracy. Furthermore, it has been engineered with durability in mind thanks to its aircraft-grade aluminium frame that resists corrosion while adding strength and stability to this already impressive piece of hardware technology. In conclusion, the Corsair K70 RGB Mk.2 provides gamers with an immersive experience like no other thanks to its cherry mix mechanical switches, media controls, full-size keyboard layout, anti-ghosting technology, as well as customizable RGB lighting system and macros feature, which allows every user to create their unique setup suited to their preferences. Not only does it look great, but it's built like a tank, making it one of the top contenders in the world for keyboard enthusiasts. Logitech Pro X Keyboard. The Logitech Pro X mechanical keyboard is a gaming keyboard designed to give gamers an edge when it comes to their gaming experience. Equipped with GX Blue clicky mechanical switches, GX Red linear, or GX Brown tactile switches, the keyboard offers an ultra-responsive, tactile feel that helps you stay one step ahead of your opponents, as well as dedicated media controls for easy access when adjusting the volume or other settings. The Pro X also features anti-ghosting technology and Techy rollover for maximum command accuracy in fast-paced scenarios. Aside from its impressive performance capabilities, the Logitech Pro X Keyboard also boasts stunning RGB lighting effects powered by Logitech's LIGHT technology. With over 8 different colors and dynamic effects such as rainbows, waves, ripples, and more, this keyboard can be customized to suit any individual's unique style. It also includes 5 programmable macro keys, so you can create personalized macros tailored to your favorite games. This mechanical keyboard is also incredibly durable thanks to its aircraft-grade aluminium frame that resists corrosion while adding strength and stability. Furthermore, the Logitech Pro X Keyboard is built with durability in mind, with a spill-resistant design that keeps liquid away from vital components and prevents accidental damage due to spills or accidents, and even comes with a detachable cable and plenty of desk space. In conclusion, the Logitech Pro X Keyboard is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a top-of-the-line gaming experience combined with premium features such as GX top-graded mechanical switches, breathtaking RGB lighting effects with LIGHT technology, 12 programmable macro keys, and swappable mechanical switches for added protection against accidental damage. With its cutting-edge performance capabilities combined with its comfort and durability features, the Logitech Pro X Keyboard provides an immersive gaming experience like no other. Razer Huntsman Mini. The Razer Huntsman Mini is the perfect ergonomic keyboard for gamers who want a fast and reliable gaming experience without sacrificing portability. This 60% compact mechanical keyboard features Razer's proprietary optomechanical switch technology that combines optical actuation with mechanical contact for lightning-fast response times and unmatched durability. With this revolutionary switch, users can now enjoy up to 100 million keystrokes per key, which is 5 times more than traditional mechanical switches. Furthermore, each switch is also equipped with gold-plated contacts, which help deliver an improved signal quality and a longer lifespan compared to standard switches. On top of these impressive specs, the Razer Huntsman Mini also boasts customizable RGB lighting powered by Razer's Chroma software that allows you to choose from 16.8 million colors and various dynamic lighting effects such as ripples, rainbows, waves, and more to create your unique style. Sadly, it does not come with dedicated media controls, but Razer Huntsman Mini does include onboard memory for storing up to 5 profiles, complete with dedicated macro bindings for increased efficiency when gaming or working. In terms of comfort, the Razer Huntsman Mini does not include any distressed design to help with padding. Moreover, this keyboard is built to last due to its aluminum frame that resists corrosion while providing strength and stability to withstand rigorous use over time, and it offers tons of desk space. To sum it up, the Razer Huntsman Mini is an excellent choice for gamers who need a fast and reliable keyboard without compromising portability or performance capabilities. With its groundbreaking optomechanical switch technology, combined with vibrant RGB lighting effects powered by Chroma software, as well as comfortable wrist support and durable construction, this keyboard is one of the best options available on the market today. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is a cutting-edge full-size keyboard with dedicated arrow keys designed to provide gamers with the ultimate gaming experience. This mechanical keyboard features the revolutionary omni-point adjustable mechanical switches that allow users to customize actuation points from 0.4 mm to 3.6 mm and adjust typing preferences on the fly without any tools or additional software. With this adjustable switch, users can enjoy faster response times of up to 0.7 milliseconds compared to traditional mechanical switches, while still maintaining optimal accuracy and control when typing. Furthermore, the SteelSeries Apex Pro also utilizes an aircraft-grade aluminum frame for added strength and stability, as well as improved durability against wear and tear over time. In addition, this mechanical keyboard offers users full RGB lighting capabilities powered by SteelSeries' acclaimed Prisms Ink software, which allows for 16.8 million colors and various dynamic effects such as ripples, waves, rainbows, and more, so you can create your unique style when gaming or working. Furthermore, the SteelSeries Apex Pro includes dedicated media keys with a volume adjustment wheel along with easy access multimedia functions, so you can quickly adjust settings on the fly without disrupting your workflow. It also comes with onboard memory for storing up to 5 profiles, complete with dedicated macro bindings for increased efficiency when gaming or working. The SteelSeries Apex Pro ensures maximum comfort during extended gaming sessions thanks to its ergonomic design that helps reduce fatigue over long periods, while providing superior support for your wrist during intense gaming scenarios or extended work sessions. Moreover, it's equipped with 3 USB pass-through, allowing your cable from stretching, pulling, and getting in the way. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex Pro is an excellent choice for gamers looking for a fast and reliable mechanical keyboard that provides unmatched performance combined with customizable actuation points, vibrant RGB lighting effects powered by Prisms Ink software, as well as comfortable wrist support and durable construction, making it one of the best gaming keyboards on the market today. Roccat Vulcan II Max. The Roccat Vulcan II Max is a gaming mechanical keyboard that combines superior performance and durability with a stylish design for an unbeatable gaming experience. The Vulcan II Max utilizes a unique mechanical switch design to provide exceptional tactile feedback and lightning-fast response times, ensuring maximum accuracy when playing intense games or typing at high speeds. Furthermore, it features Techy rollover technology, which allows up to 127 simultaneous key presses, giving users the freedom to do whatever they need without the worry of missing inputs or ghosting effects. In addition, this mechanical keyboard comes with full RGB lighting capabilities powered by Roccat's AI-MO intelligent lighting system, giving users the ability to customize their lighting effects with millions of colors or choose from preset lighting effects like ripples, waves, and more, making it easy to create your personalized style. Moreover, the Vulcan II Max offers dedicated macro keys with up to 24 multi-function smart keys as well as per-key adjustable brightness settings, allowing users to customize their settings according to their individual preference for increased efficiency when gaming or working. Moreover, the Roccat Vulcan II Max has been built to last thanks to its anodized aluminum top plate construction that offers added stability while providing strength and durability against wear and tear over time. Furthermore, it includes 2 USB pass-through for connecting additional peripherals or devices directly to the mechanical keyboard itself, eliminating clutter from your desk space. It also comes with a detachable wrist rest designed with plush foam padding and a textured microfiber surface that provides maximum comfort during extended gaming sessions for better accuracy at all times. To sum up, the Roccat Vulcan II Max is an outstanding choice for gamers who need a fast and reliable mechanical keyboard without compromising performance capabilities or portability. With its groundbreaking mechanical switch technology, combined with vibrant RGB lighting effects powered by AI-MO software, as well as comfortable wrist support and durable construction, this mechanical keyboard is one of the best options available on the market today with a modern keyboard look. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.